Hey! Do you know what month it is? What, Kevin? What month is it? What? It's Black History Month! And you know what that means? If you didn't get the time to embrace your black roots for those other 11 months, as Cat Williams would say, this month right here, this month right here, this is the month to embrace all that makes you blickety black. And yes, that includes the ashy skin, the cocoa butter, the fried chicken, the watermelon, and the grape drink, not juice. I don't know what juice is. Let me get some of that grape drink. Shout out to Dave Chappelle. This Black History Month, you should be watching nothing but reruns of The Color Purple, Roots, and Django Unchained. The Django is silent. This Black History Month, no hip hop, no dance hall, no country music, no R&B. Me not even want to hear gospel music. Maybe me squeezing a little bit of gospel. But this Black History Month, I want you to pop in your Kids Bop Negro Spiritual CD. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. And I have some really good tracks on the Kids Bop CD. One of my favorites is Massa, I'ma you up. Go look at something like this. Massa hit me, Massa hit where the weak, Massa hit me, oh my dear. Massa hit me, weave. But if you hit me again, I'm gonna you up. Public service announcement for this and every other Black History Month, we are going to have reversed slavery. So white people, all Caucasians, take with themselves and watch the white people run. To my beautiful black ladies, for this Black History Month, guess what? No wigs, no perms, no weaves. That's, come on, I know it hurts. Hand over the wigs. Come. Shh. Okay, alright? It's just for 1 month. Let your kinks show. Let the fro grow. Let those 3D barrels of nappy, hard to comb wrecking, black, thick, coarse, beautiful hair. Let it show for just 1 month. Just make the naturalness just damn girl. Get them Afro picks out. And if you can't afford Afro picks, forks will be provided. They do the job just as good. This Black History Month, no skin bleaching please. As a matter of fact, if you can, try to get your skin as dark as possible. Melanin deficiency will not be tolerated this month. This Black History Month, there will be no team light skin, no team dark skin. Because if it were about 400 years ago, we would all be... That's right. So cut on a bull nash. This Black History Month, pull your pants up. Don't sing. And for the love of God, if you hear this song, do not do this. Nigga, run, it's the cops. 5-0. Also, men, but this Black History Month is just between me and you. Let's try not to call our women bitches. Why the hell does she keep calling me and hanging up? I swear to God, if this bitch don't... That is going to be a difficult task. And also, white people, you can contribute to Black History Month. How can you do this, you may ask? Well, my white friend, by not f***ing with us. And by this, I mean, if you see me walking down the street with a hoodie on, and I got a canned drink and some Skittles in my hand, and you are told not to pursue, N-O-T, not to pursue. Do not pursue me, please don't, because I would like to reach home safe. Rest in peace to Trayvon Martin. This Black History Month is brought to you by the letter N, as the N word will be substituted with the letter N. Therefore, so you know that I'm right from my motherfucking ends. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. I've been grinding outside all day with my ends, and I ain't going in. Listen, with my ends. But seriously, this Black History Month, I want you to take the time to read, or even if you don't like reading, watch a documentary or something. Learn something about your black heritage. Understand where we're coming from so we can know where we're going. And with that said, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Hit the like button, hit the share button. And happy Black Black History Month, my ends. Ow.
Lydia. Yes, man.